Vanakkam. Happy to announce the launch of the best IIT JEE preparation program available in the country today. Akash launches Invictus in Chennai. The program is going to be available in Chennai, Coimbatore, Trichy, and Namakkal. We believe this is the best program that a JEE aspirant can possibly have, and the reason for that are four. Number one, the best courseware and the best pedagogy that's available in the country, and we have compared it with everything else that a child has on offer from all competitors, so much so that we are confident and we are offering a challenge to anyone to come in with the courseware and compare it with the Invictus courseware. If it is anywhere close to the quality of courseware that we are putting together, we are happy to offer a cash award of 10 lakhs to the person and a chance to join the Invictus courseware creation team. The second is, in the 33 cities that we are launching this program in the country, we have put together a team of about 500 teachers who amongst them have had a history of over the last 2 decades sending more than 1 lakh students to the JEE through the JEE entrance exam to IITs. Third, we have a solid tech platform which allows every child to learn at its pace. The tech platform has AI tools integrated, which is allowing the brightest child to learn at the pace at which this bright child wants to go. The more studious child, if they want to learn at a different pace, you can do that. And the fourth is the whole Akash ecosystem is coming behind this program. We have present in 270 plus cities. This program is also available digital on the Akash digital platform. We will teach in a personalized manner. The class size is going to be less than 45 and a wholesome care for a child is integrated with the program. It's a stressful program, so the child needs care. So trained counselors are available, accessible to a child, and they train the child to deal with failures and how to deal with success. So a wholesome program which ensures success, taught by teachers who have a history of sending more than 1 lakh students to IITs in the last 20 years.
You can talk about who else benefits. They can.
The first of the program will be offered after taking a test. The first test is going to be running on 9th of February at the Akash centers. A child can join after appearing for this test. We are offering 90% up to 90% scholarships for the aspiring students depending on the performance in the test. So even if you are not economically well off, you have a chance to be part of this journey with Akash, and we'll support you with 90+% scholarships as required. The program is also available on the digital platform. So if you are in a city where we are not offering the program, you can avail of this program through Akash Digital. We are also going to come to Madurai, but after the renovation of our center a month later.